bon ki long illegal transportation po Meghalaya kamtam hakini ki arsenam siteng te bale bangan hakwan hakmat tempi ki press kalong ba ngasim ya kane galat ba kane gari demokrasi kade demokratik ngamla bangsa hapo sekretariat hapo assembly banyak pun persya yaki te ngasim ba kane ka RTI ka bangale banga une ukulam bangala penenkam in rebilut sa partai bahadu kapno kaskam Meghalaya kadon bakane ga bahe tam kaskam nang ipi kane to kerteng junga ka de John Franklin Bai na nompo ngasi tray eksportor ru ngaset penyak doyong hagis nang pemenswa di Henry Handin bagala jur pelat kane ka jinglong illegal po Meghalaya semula syurun tray to ngalale ka RTI inquiry haka arpu tundai tarik September ajar arpuar ka RTI junga ka di Department Mining and Geology Government of Meghalaya haka be day but auction coal blale ka coal India lengbaka DMR di kani department haka RTI ngalap baka portfolio babat kani department it is in the hand of kadi ka chief minister jungi Sri Kontrak Sangma chairman de ba Jigur Marthong bat ki officer ki bangin non kam tan bangun short teng te haka RTI ka bangalap mga kani ka page ka baki respond yana kala long lupa violate of the norm ba ichisa ka RTI habang pan ha khanda tarik September lade ban reply yang within given time kata ka disi benai henry ki delay hadu khandai ko sni kidang ai ka RTI yang ti sen yang haka arpu sau tarik December tik sawan syuti Christmas New Year ngadang you receive haka ya ka copy na po department hadu January sautere balik ile kumta namar ba nganam yo tan ban interfere ya ka kam ba ki penya yo doyong kelas dang penya ka ar penyo tarik December da ka salan jong ready sutenga dengan ong ip menta ba ka ego point ka bangalak mga as per information RTI Act 2005 applied by me on 29 September from Mining and Geology Department, which is under the portfolio in charge by our Chief Minister Sri Kontrak Sangma, the successful bidder of the auction of coal India Limited, the successful bidder ki ba bidding ki ba job ka bidding ki try salan ki bangi on all over Meghalaya mde tang na clear na was parok ko Meghalaya they are equally accountable nexus with the government to manipulate the system to be corrupted with the blessing of the government political vendetta, political thief. Ka question junga sa DMR kadon hadu arpunyo tali ngan su ai piki point ki blalong violet pala. Question number 13 ngakali ki please provide the information whether any weighman slip has been enclosed along with the transit pass. Give in detail the weighman slip issued to each truck along with the truck number. M. Completely violated. Point 13. As per the information asked by me in standard operation procedure, which is with you, no weighman slip has been supplied to me by the department. By not supplying and enclose the weighman slip of each truck enclosed in a transport permit to designated depot. So point 13 has been completely violated against the Supreme Court order SOP. Kalau bakimla abang ayang aki slip, jongki weighman slip, kita kisalan ki eki barok namar bakaron ke illegal. So question number 4 ngalakali ki please supply the CCTV camera video footage to all the concerned weight bridge for the entire designated depot where the coal is either brought in and also when the coal is lifted or evacuated for transportation. Give in detail. Kani kalong bakat kum ke SOP katuka kateki commission whatsoever kalau ong bade mendon ki CCTV camera habaki tiap yo doyong habaki yai kini kimdon kai ka bang inspect mga hantay hapo umling hapo lata syara kiwi ki kata ki long kiton ki CCTV camera kita ki server ki ai bro kamtan hapo DMR pinalek dan check ki kim function kasulong ka public waste of money kasulong waste ka pisar kim function kita kim penrekam kin sejenjari la dia to question number 14 kata ka CCTV camera it is completely violated by the concerned department mining and geology along with the transport department. Minister in charge of mining and geology is our Chief Minister, Chairman Jigur Marthong, Transport Department Sri Dasakyat Lamare. Point number 17. Whether the mineral transport challan has been countersigned by the official of Coal India Limited post at the weight bridge of the designated depot. Give in detail of each countersigned mineral transport challan. Point 17 also is violated. I have been asking information from the concerned department about countersign of the mineral transport chalan. Kanero kilong violated. The simple mansyong IP ba, it is clearly shown that whatever illegal transportation is carried out is with full knowledge of Chief Minister and Minister in charge of Mining and Geology, Conrad Sangma. Along with his advisor, ex-transport minister Hakapor jong iru ka dawyong kalayak illegal, that is nyaw halang dar mentau de da sakiat to dem government syuru. Last but not the least, the groundwork for the illegal transportation, this is very important. If the government is complete the paperwork, what about the groundwork? Who collect the money from the traders? What we find, according to evidence, when we arrest truck along with Hito, so many times, we found that the amount of collection of money that is amounting 1 lakh rupees for 14 and 16 tire, 60 ton is 1 lakh rupees. What they have to whom they are paying this money? They are paying at Clearyat to MLA people, his close aide. Who is the MLA in Clearyat? You find out. His close aides are collecting the entry amount. And from West Khasi Hill, we find that Dominic Marthong. Who is Dominic Marthong? Dominic Marthong is related to Jigur Marthong. When we arrest truck, when we detain them, when we question the driver, Chalan is the name of Dominic Marthong. So I will tell here clearly that the violation of the SOP and the scam in Meghalaya is equally accountable by the bidder, successful bidder of the Chalan all over Meghalaya. Point number 25 and 26 is very important to tell you. I have been asked that please provide information for each GPS device number and GPS SIM number installed and activated against each truck. Give in detail. Point 25 and 26 has not been supplied as per RTI filed by me. Application point 25 and 26 department could not supply information as by me. Balay kimla aban ay kan GPS kadaw kolong ba katrok ka sulong by outlaw mdon GPS mdon Chalan. Now, ladani ya keren menta. What about all over Meghalaya? According to the RTI, the scam under two departments, that is Mining and Geology and Transport Department, the scam is being done all over Meghalaya. Borak tuwag Meghalaya kile ek scam. Di kumno ki ola pemle ek scam namar ki paperwork lale the department, and then ki try Chalan ki bayo ki yo blessing na ki political na kita ki minister ki bolong hakane ka department bakin yo ban penyat illegally. Dengan ong ipi kajing dunong hangne kan dia ka state ya ki small miner ngingin nem pediang ya ta ka sispa hektar ngin saya kun ya kan ka illegal mining syapur ru ngin salia namar ba man gas ngi su ipi ki perlak projor ki barit paria ki batrai kim kwa bakan don ta ka mining ka basis pa persen bakan ong ipi kan ka government MDA khamtam kini ki department transport mining and geology kinnem kwa implement ni ka mining policy balai nabla implement no kinnem yok shu ban kamai illegal kumne how much the illegal kabalik not less than 1,000 crore ngan ipi ka state ka shimram man ka snem nasno ka arspa crore ka saus pa crore ka sans pa crore ka ba illegally ladep kamai lupashi 1,000 crore. They who collect the money in other part of Meghalaya ha ba kidon kini ki scam ban shim na kitrap na ipi baro hai ki mi khmat be de ki prison ki minister te hanne ka pau shai kedar ba ka department ba bat hidu chief minister kalong highly complicated, corrupted, manipulate nang ta pada ki don ru ki close aid ki jomu ngalapat nang hadu baki advisor to chief minister ki ba monitor napo ekakam. Then ka police department ngimla bernai ka safe passage hi yakini ki trop illegal la ai hi de ka police department. That is very questionable ba baro ki district ki trop ki yai sahu tela da phikwa banla ka kata ka high level hi laju buri bha ladang akran ka district ke jonga ka hari boy kumno ki buri ikini ki high level trop jingsi sha ka trop habadon Chalan ka de ban yat kat kum ka ton ka balabu da ka SOP totip ma phiki press ba hadu menta ar hajar ar phau lai menta ka dei nem nadu papas ka judgment 19 Julai jong ka Supreme Court 4 jusya bangkit daw yong palat ya ka khat arton henraya barok bakiam ka hito bakiam mangi ngimpo an haras gitroy daw yong gi try trop kam 4 juton kata khat arton barok bet ka dei ka rupautan lane lai ku sauton collection ka dei bai either 1 lakh lane 80,000 hai ki collect rukan batai ka pisa lada la ai ki bru minister kandai pun riu hajar lane nyo pun riu hajar ha clear yat ha west ka sihil ha weight bridge ru hap su pisa ar hajar tangka ha weight bridge wa jusung thu bakala bandon ki bru ka DMR lane ki bru juga transport department kin don ba ki bru minister hapo weight bridge ru kin le kumno kin check i truck number taka pada ka duty jongki officer habang ay ngadon ke question ki officer nga check kali ki mo ki ongin le kumno ba jon ni hapslong tam binong pekai ki di nagalian ki enforcement hapori bhairu kim try kami ay hapo kata nagalian ki inspector jong ka DMR ru kim try kami ay hapo kata ki try kami de ki buru minister ban check ya ki number kali ka bamdon ka number kali kamun kali ka basyuan kam su pisa either na po East Jentia lanena West Jentia tengilap baik badon piti baik ki buru minister bat bon sen kini gisalan kilong related baik bayo baik ki buru minister te kini gisalan hangne kila penyelam bak bakla bak prostum syom bang yak salan MP kat kum ka RTI hangne bat ngadon ka video footage ka bangala kan share ya pishibit kalong ba during model code of conduct today 21st mentang adang wana nong po kitrok dan sahu kedang yat ship hoteli ai bat menin met kumtaman ka met like house of hoteli during model code of conduct last week ngadang dep ban detain hapo kata hawit bridge ngadang don ka jing ya kendang ya kita kiwan kita kitrok kiba claim salan lada kali kidai be kitrok high level the high level is very questionable to tip wa anong ipim dan kam su panya trum po social media high level hi ka de department mining and geology wala bat daw chief minister namta transport department labat daw sekian and home minister laneka law department labat iba lakemen rumboi te ngin kam man yakran ye ta ki bru jongki ba pnya po madan namar ki de tan ki leman ki de ta ki close associate jongki teka blame he borok ngan blame sakane department ba kini ki political thief kila pelong ya kaspa jong ka Meghalaya jong ka yo ka kot jong ka state kum ka kamai ka ji jong ki ta ki jok mele na ka daw na kum concern citizen na shim ba ngan ya khun daw khulom borok sam sinam ne khmat dawan kano go government ru jaka ba phin ya bunkam ban ya le illegal ban ya kamai se ka pla ka jong phi ya khun penban ba pin penyok klo ya ka mining policy ka berap yo duk usuk nginda pendang sentiu sek kayu i be kadon ka GST department ka ba check i kitrok ki bakit mar mata check GST ya ka trok do yong pada kim la ban kata ka de omling kim la ban kata trok do yong henre ka GST ha ka do yong ni bo check hi ka don ka GST ha do yong kai ka question hang ne ule ayu taw commissioner ba de jong ka GST ha bo Meghalaya jongi who is the minister in charge jong ka GST hato kini kim don ketila balik kalau no Australia se kamlong no Australia